Meditech Devices Private Limited, specialized in all type of venous access catheters. We offers the full range of short-term and long-term dialysis catheter. Today we'll demonstrate the Maxima long-term dialysis catheter for pediatric use. I will show the features and benefit of our product. 8 French silicone soft material, ideal for the pediatric use. It comes with the double D designs, offer you the good blood flow. The unique features is valve introducer to prevent the air embolism and reduce the blood loss. This is a full kit contain introducer needle, guide wire, catheter, tunneling devices, and valve introducer. There are the certain things that you have to take care. These are 8 French very small catheter. So for the tunneling, you have to insert very carefully in the catheter. Okay, up to 2 point only, because these are silicone catheter and you have to tunnel through the tunneler. Once you do the tunneling, remove the catheter from the tunneler very carefully, smoothly like this. So because these are pediatric catheters, 8 French, 18 centimeter. From tip to cuff is a 15 centimeter, and from tip to hub is 18 centimeters. So these are full kit for the pediatric hemodialysis purpose. For more detail, kindly visit our website www.meditechdevices.com or refer our catalog.